Hi, this is Noah at screenprintexchange.com, a free classified for t-shirt and screen printing shops. Today is the fourth video about this PLATATO push-to-fit connector. And in previous videos, I couldn't get the 5/32 tube to work. So I'm going to modify this, and it's going to be two different videos. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So if you look on the other side, this part is too thick right here. Instead of putting a piece of rubber there so you can clamp on, I'm going to file right here down so that tube can get in here, and then I can clamp on this part. So this part is just the pusher. It pushes it out. So that's the idea. So hopefully it'll work, or I'm going to be ordering another one of these. So I'm just going to go like this until it's perfect size, and it'll work. So that's the end of this video. Please subscribe and like this video. I need more people. Appreciate it, and I'll watch the fifth video coming up soon. Bye.